Here's the other Encon Odyssey. This is installed in a bedroom at my new house. Gonna pull the chains. See, this one is 4-speed. Yeah.
Alright, Aldo?
I am! I'm trying to boost it up. Yeah. Do you like fans of spotlight kits?
Fans of what?
With spotlight kits.
Spotlight kids?
This is like medium low. This one has 4 speeds, just like my fan has 4 speeds. You can see. I'm on medium. Okay, this is high. Oh, it wobbles. As you can see. Now, show the airflow. Oh, yes. That fan wobbles a lot more. I'm not gonna show the airflow how wobble. This fan wobbles a lot more than the other fan. Oh shoot, the light has to stay on.